Hi, I'm Isaac Gould, Research Manager at Nucleus Research. Syspro has just announced the latest release of Syspro 8. The newest version of the Syspro ERP platform introduces several new capabilities for manufacturers and distributors. Most notable was the announcement of Embedded Analytics, a drag-and-drop analytics and dashboard deployment tool to enable non-technical users to construct their own queries and visualizations. With a centralized analytics solution, organizations can propagate analytics to the individual employee level within their workspace while maintaining security and access controls. The Embedded Analytics solution also offers a wizard approach to dashboard creation, allowing users to create their own queries, pivots, and filtered views without significant coding or technical experience. As a result of Syspro Embedded Analytics, anticipated benefits include improved organizational visibility, improved productivity, and reduced costs. With the ability to combine data from multiple departments, users can obtain an organization-wide view. Syspro users can avoid burdening IT or data science teams and leverage wizards to build custom dashboards. The Embedded Analytics platform would also allow organizations to retire or avoid third-party analytics solutions, helping IT avoid building and managing the integrations between the BI solution and various data sources. Moving forward, Syspro is expected to increase the number of integrations with third-party systems to ingest new data sources and introduce forecasting capabilities for forward-looking analytics, as well as notification functionality tied to analytics to prevent operational disruptions. For more information on Syspro and other embedded analytics topics, visit nucleusresearch.com.